Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, WireGuard versus OpenVPN. Which one is better? But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to figure out whether to toggle your VPN settings over to WireGuard or stick with OpenVPN, well, you are looking at the two absolute best ways to secure your internet traffic as of today. Now, both of these are fully open source, completely trustworthy, and incredibly secure, but they have totally different design philosophies that makes them excel in unique ways. Now, let's first look at WireGuard here. Now, because it has quickly become the undisputed king for everyday internet use. Now, WireGuard was built from the ground up to be a modern speed demon, and it absolutely nails it. Now, the coolest part about it is how insanely efficient its design is. Now, the entire thing runs on just about 4,000 lines of codes, whereas like older protocols use hundreds of thousands. Now, because it is so lean here, basically, what it does is it barely touches your computer or phone's battery life, and it connects almost instantly. Now, in fact, if you are moving around and your phone switches from your home Wi-Fi over to a 5G network, WireGuard handles that handoff seamlessly without dropping your connection for even a second. Now, it delivers phenomenal blazing fast speeds and incredibly low latency. Now, which is exactly what you want if you are playing online games, downloading massive files, or trying to stream 4K movies without a single moment of buffering. Now, on top of that, its simplified encryption methods makes it almost impossible to misconfigure, meaning you get elite airtight security right out of the box, which is really awesome. Now, let's move on to OpenVPN. Now, OpenVPN here is the battle-tested granddaddy of the VPN world. Now, it still brings some incredible, unique superpowers to the table, though. Now, while it is a bit heavier and more complex, its biggest strength is its absolute unmatched adaptability. Now, OpenVPN here is a total master at sneaking through strict internet blocks and firewalls. Now, you can easily disguise its traffic to run over TCP port 443, which is the exact same port that normal secure websites use for online shopping and banking. Now, this means you are on a highly restrictive school, or if you are on a highly restricted school or workplace network here, or even like traveling in heavy censored countries in Asia, the OpenVPN here is brilliant at blending in and sliding right past those blocks when other protocols get snuffed out. Plus, it has received some awesome modern upgrades recently, like data channel offload technology, which has significantly closed the performance gap and made it much faster and smoother than it used to actually be. Now, of course, there are a few things that you may need to understand. Now, each one has a tiny trade-off depending on your situation. Now, because WireGuard here relies purely on UDP connections, and strict network firewalls can sometimes spot its traffic and throttle or block it a bit easier. Now, on the flip side here, OpenVPN's massive legacy codebase means it inherently introduces just a bit more processing overhead and latency, meaning it won't feel quite as snappy or instant on as its newer rivals. Now, ultimately here, you really win either way, actually, but the best choice just depends on what you are actually doing. Now, if you are doing like daily browsing, streaming your favorite shows, and gaming or scrolling on your phone, keeping your protocol set to WireGuard will give you the absolute fastest and most seamless experience possible as of right now. But if you ever find yourself stuck behind a stubborn, aggressive network firewall that is blocking your connection entirely, switching over to OpenVPN is the ultimate reliable fallback here, or fallback tool to get you back online. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.